handing over now to Athina Chatzipetrou from the Hellenic Development Bank. Welcome, and looking forward to hear what you've got to say.
Good afternoon from my end. Very honored to be in this panel and in this very well-organized economist conference. So, from our end, can I start my presentation? There is a okay.
Yes.
So, sorry, but I think it's not the first slide. Okay. In HDB, we are very much aligned with the priorities of Ministry of Development, and in cooperation with the EIB, I will just wrap up what has already been said. We are working complementary with RRF, which is the biggest per capita, as already mentioned by the Minister, the biggest per capita program in Europe. So we are complementing RRF, prioritizing all our programs, all our financial programs that we build together with EIB. We don't forget that EIB was the first one that has created a bond back in 2007, a green bond. So we are creating programs that are prioritizing in green, in digital, and in growth. I want to start my presentation a little bit with the following statements. One, as you see on the program, we have spent more than 2 years, 2.5 years in reality, on creating a capacity in HDB, in Hellenic Development Bank. So currently we have the tools, we work with platforms, we work with web services across our channel, that is the banking system, as well as ministries. And we serve horizontally the totality of productive ministries. Now, what is more important, though, for the future is to support SMEs with what we call non-financial products. Let me refer to what exactly we mean on that. We need to create awareness on the SMEs and SPPs channel with what we call sustainable finance, what we call sustainable projects and sustainable investments. In that sense, we've already announced in Thessaloniki a few weeks ago a platform that we call Know Your Customer. The purpose of this platform is to increase the bankable perimeter of the SMEs that are currently having or should have access to the banking system. So, in addition to this, we will create, let's say, a higher penetration as the requests for a loan within our programs will be addressed to the totality of the banking system. So having the health check that the banking system is requiring in order to consider bankable the Greek SMEs, which is the access to tax certificates, social security certificates, and insolvency certificate. We will add the ability of the SME to present its business plan across the totality of the banking system. That is one of non-financial platforms we are putting in our bank. The second that we are creating, which is also very important, is an ESG tracker. We all know very well that big companies are having tools to identify and to address and to present their ESG ability, whereas SMEs do not have that. So we have created, a year ago, we have done a hackathon, and there are companies that have created, Greek companies actually, that have created a very light platform specifically for SMEs to self-test their awareness and their ability and their grading on ESG criteria. This currently is tested by one of the systemic banks, and we expect a rollout within the current months. Third is a funding wizard platform that we are having now, an open call for the totality of the startups. This funding wizard will actually be used again by SMEs so that they have the ability to select among, let's say, a variety of programs that we have in several ministries and in several, let's say, clusters, to select the program that is most suitable for its size, for its future, for its investment. So this will be an aggregator of information and will include grants, co-financing schemes, guarantees, loans, everything. I think for now I'm done, and thank you again.